Hello students. Now we are going to study the next practical of your extension 1 course, that is exercise number 17 to 19, study of social control. Now in this topic we are going to study the meaning, definition, need of social control and means of social control. Actually in characteristics of role society we have already discussed the social control point, that is social control of a society in rural area is with the help of informal social pressure, while in urban area it is with the help of urban with the help of laws formulated by legislative assembly. Okay, now first of all we will see the meaning of social control and means of social control. Afterward we will see. So under this topic we are going to discuss about the definition of social control and different means of social control or different methods of social control. So what do you think, by observing this photograph, what will be the social control? Basically, here we can see the definition of social control. Social control is defined as the pattern of influence which society exert on individual to maintain order and establish rules in a society. Here you can see in the photograph, this person is trying to control, trying to influence the rest of the people. Or here you can see the cops, police are trying to control the society or violation of which is occur in a society. So that is the social control. The pattern of influence which society exerts on individual to maintain order and establish rules in a society. The pattern of influence. The pattern of influence, that means the ways of behaving in society, which society exerts. Exerts means society pressurize, society emphasize it. Society make us to follow that rules regulations, to follow that patterns of behavior. And by that way, we are able to maintain order in a society, establish rules in a society. So that is the social control. For example, there is a prohibition of intercaste marriage. So that is one of the patterns of behavior. We should not do the intercaste marriage with other people, with other caste people. So that is the patterns of behavior which society exerts on us. And by that way, we are trying to maintain order. We are trying to avoid intercaste marriage. So that is the rules set up by the society. Or what we can, wearing of clothes. Which kind of clothes should be wear by men, women. So that are the pattern of influence. Are you getting? So here you have to remember, it is defined as pattern of influence which society exerts on individual to maintain order in a society. What is the need of social control? Basically, social control is needed for stability, order, growth and development of the society. That means basically there are different patterns of behavior which we are going to learn from our parents, teachers, friends, neighbors, our community people, caste people, and we have to follow that patterns of influence. By that way, it helps to maintain stability in society, orders, growth of society is possible, development of society is possible. There are certain norms of behavior set up by the society for maintenance of and development. Basically, norms means rules, regulations are established by society, and we need to follow these norms. So members of society are expected to follow these norms. Expected that we must have to follow that particular rules, regulations which are set up by society, set up by our caste, religion, family, etc., etc. By that way, it helps to maintain stability, order, growth, and development of the society. Now, there are different means of social control. Means methods of social control. In that, first one is socialization and education. In the process of socialization, people communicate, associate, conform, and cooperate together. They are taught the ways of behaving each other. Now, socialization means what? Socialization is nothing but mixing in a society or introduction of child into the society. That means by that way, the particular person, child, is going to be oriented with the society. He come in contact with neighbors, friends, teachers, the member other than his family. That is nothing but the socialization. Okay. So here in the process of socialization, people communicate, associate, confirm, cooperate each other. We try to maintain this kind of relationship with other people. They are taught the ways of being with each other, how to behave with other persons, which kind of relations we have to maintain with other persons. That are going to be taught to us by our parents, teachers, neighbors, friends, etc. Now, this is one of the means of social control. Means it try to control the ways of behaving with each other, how to behave with other person. That is going to be controlled by this socialization process. Then beliefs. Beliefs means vishwas. So beliefs are acceptance of proposition as true as important means of social control. Beliefs are acceptance of proposition. Beliefs means we are going to believe on particular concept. We are going to believe on particular thought. Thought is nothing but that proposition. And we are going to follow that particular proposition. For example, we should not say a lie. कधीही खोटं बोलू नये. That is the acceptable statement. And we are going to follow that particular. We are going to believe on it and we are trying to follow it throughout our life. So likewise, belief try to control the behavior of individual. Belief on particular statement, belief on particular proposition. Suggestions and limitations. Now, suggestions are the implementations of ideas and feeling in the people. That means whatever the suggestions, guidance we get from other persons, that suggestions are nothing but the ideas and feelings which we are trying to implement in the society. Limitation is following the behavior of others. How other person is going to behave. For example, if a particular person is ideal for you, how he is going to behave in a society, which kind of talk, which kind of speech he is going to use while speaking, with which kind of relation he is trying to maintain. All that things we are trying to adopt. For example, of our parents, we are trying to adopt that all the things. So that is the limitations. Likewise, suggestions means guidance from other people. Limitations means copying the behavior of other persons. So these are trying to maintain or trying to control our behavior. Then persuasion. Persuasion means understanding the concepts. Okay. So persuasion is attempt to achieve the control by convincing argument. The convincing means make us people to understanding, convincing. Arguments means whatever your views, whatever your points, that points or views we try to make other person to understand. That and understanding that particular our argument, our thought, our ideas is the persuasion. Are you getting? That means other persons trying to tell us certain things. By that way, we are trying to follow that particular concepts and it try to control our behavior. Or we are trying to emphasize on other people. We are trying to give suggestions to other people, and we try to make them to follow that suggestions. We try to make them to understand that ideas, and we are trying to control the behavior of other people. Hey, asa karu naka, te asa karu naka. So that is the ways of persuasion. But whatever the views we are trying to tell, whatever the things we are trying to give, arguments, that must be understood by that particular person. Then he is able to follow it. Then emotional appeal. It is an art of expression, the control through dominating the feelings. Emotionally, we try to control the behavior of other people. Okay. It is expressed in terms of music, painting, sculpture, architecture, ceremony, exerts control. So these are the different ways through which we can make emotional appeal to the people, and by that we try to control of the behavior of people. For example, here you can see one of the painting is here. Through this painting, we try to appeal to people, do not cut the trees. Emotional appeal. This here is the farmers are doing suicides. So we are trying to appeal to farmers and also political leader. That is try to control the suicides of farmers. That is the emotional appeal. By that we try to control the behavior of people. Then rewards. Rewards means mobadla. Rewards means what we can say, after doing work, if we get appreciation, if we get money, if we get marks, that is nothing but the rewards. So rewards that give people status in society are strong support to control the system. If we give rewards to the individuals, it helps to motivate that individuals and try to control his behavior. Basically, whenever positive actions are done by the individuals, we are trying to give him a rewards. Acceptable behavior, positive actions are usually rewarded by the societies and their organizations. Now, if we get much more marks, if you are achieving maximum marks, you will rewarded. You will be rewarded by your parents, your teachers, your school, colleges. And by that you try to maintain or try to get much more marks in another exams also. Likewise, reward try to control the behavior of individuals. Are you getting? So that is the rewards. If you are going to do or perform a particular task, and if you get money for that particular task, then you are get rewarded in terms of money, and then again you try to perform that kind of task. Humor and stares. Humor means what we can say that entertainment, or what we can say vinodi. And stares म्हणजे उपहासात्मक. Indirectly we try to control the behavior of individual. Indirect statements. Okay. Humor is also used to establish positions and gain favorable response. It helps to get the favorable response from the people or community. Stares employs wit and scorn as indirect criticism of action felt by victim and socially harmful. Suppose harmful decisions, harmful actions are going to be performed by government. In that case, the stares are given to the government. Stares means that means the indirect statements, indirect criticisms are going to be done by the press, by the people on a government actions. If that actions is not liked by the society, if it is harmful actions, then for that it is going to happen. चुकीची गोष्ट घडत असेल तर त्याच्यावर जी टीका होते, that is we can refer as an satire. Satires exposes by ridicule the falsity and danger of behavior which may accept as a normal. If danger behavior is there, for that satires are going to be exposed. Then norms. Norms are rules, regulations, blueprint of behavior that we have discussed in a cultural concept. Folkways, that are customary ways of living in society, customs and traditions in combination, we can say that is the focus that we have discussed in a culture. So I am not going to explain here right now. Mores are essential ways of consider essential ways in a society, which we have two patterns of behavior. Patterns of behavior that are considered essential by the society, that we can refer as mores. Prohibition of pork is the mores in a Muslim society, so that is the mores. Now the next one is the laws. Laws means rules, regulations formulated by the legislative body. So laws are formulated by legislative body based on rational and practicability, which may lack in a most. Laws are rules, regulations, kaida, and that is formulated by legislative assembly, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Vidhan Sabha. So they are going to form the laws. Rules made by an authorized government. Government is going to form the rules, and we have to follow that particular rules. Consciously and deliberately formulated by the formulated patterns of behavior. So that are the patterns of behavior which are designed by government, and we must have to follow that patterns of behavior. In mores, there are sentiment and faith. What More says that society exerts mores on individuals. And society says that it is the pattern of behavior that is considered essential by the society. That mores is going to say. So here it is sentiment and faiths are there in the mores. But in law, fixed punishments are there for disobedience. If you are not going to follow the rules, regulations, you are getting punished. Right now, if you are not going to wear the mask, you are punished for 500 rupees or 1000 rupees by the police. The enforcement of law is placed in the hand of designated authority, that is judges. Enforcement of law Who is going to decide the actions, punishment? That is decided by the judge. Laws are generally grows out of mores. Means first of all, mores is established, and from mores, laws are going to be developed for taking up severe actions against a particular behavior, punishment against particular behavior. Laws is going to be established. Now, gossip is there. Gossiping means just chit-chatting with your friends, neighbors. It helps to control the behavior of individuals. Rumor is there, ridicule is there, and public opinion. So these are the ways which try to control the social behavior of a individual. So these are the means of social control. In exam, there will question define social control and explain the different ways or means of social control. You have to list out them first of all and then explain one by one. Okay, thank you.